Congratulations on completing quiz 2 as well. Guess what? Why I have used the phrase as well? It is because I know you have already completed quiz 1, which I sent day before yesterday. Once you watch this small video fully, you can able to see and review your test results. And also let me set up the expectations upfront. The quiz 1 that you have done before, those questions are little on the easier side in comparison with the actual PMP exam. The quiz 2 questions that you have practiced right now, these questions you can categorize under medium difficulty level in comparison with the actual PMP exam. When your scores are good, I'm so happy for you, great job done. When your scores are not as expected, I don't want you to get demotivated. Consider this as a learning opportunity. Why? For each and every question, I have given the explanation for you, a verbal explanation for you. Read that and correct your mistakes. Also, in the last video, I have spoken about my PMP personalized mentorship cohort that I'm going to form right now. As a part of that mentorship group, already 30% of the seats are filled. I have already started working with that 30% of PMP aspirants with the aim of knocking this PMP exam out by 2025 or within 45 days, that too without reading books. Let me give you a quick overview on how this works. Once you are getting into my personalized mentorship program, you have to attend 42 hours of live training from a seasoned ATP trainer. Then you have to do your self-study. For doing that self-study, you don't want to read single line from any books. You have to just stick to our LMS, which has some pre-recorded videos and practice questions. And I will be your personalized mentor. I will be planning your study plan, which is nothing but I will start sending you series of homeworks. By doing those homeworks, you will be covering all the lessons in our learning management system one by one. Finally, you will be practicing mock tests. Once your scores are greater than 65% in my mock test, green signal will be given to you. Then we're gonna go for the exam and then we are going to knock the PMP exam out. And for this PMP personalized mentorship cohort, I'm going to give the PMP application support as well. I'll hold your hand. I'll ensure that your PMP application is getting approved. I will plan your PMP study plan, track your progress, and I'll be holding your hand. We're gonna travel along together and we are going to knock the PMP exam by 2025 or within 45 days without touching any books. And also for this PMP mentorship cohort that I'm going to form, I am going to give free access to my ultimate interview prep program. By using that, I will be giving you career and job assistance. You will be receiving a call from one of my team members who is from PMP Consulting Mentoring team to discuss your test results. If you have any doubts about these questions, you can ask them. Along with that, if you're interested to know more about my PMP personalized mentorship program that I'm going to form right now, you can ask about that as well. Because you have completed both the quests that I have sent, I'm seeing you as a highly motivated individual and I believe you're very serious about knocking the PMP exam out. It's a time for you and me to work together and we are going to together make your PMP dream a reality by 2025 or within 45 days without touching a book. Now it's a time for you to see your test results and please review carefully all the PMP questions that you have practiced right now. Understand the mistakes that you have done. If you have any doubts, please respond to the email also. I will be also personally connecting with you if needed. I'll be soon meeting you all in the next set of 5 PMP questions. Also, my team members will be guiding you how to access the next set of PMP questions. All the very best for your PMP exam prep. See you soon. Bye. Take care.